So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this Delta faucet, and this is looks like it's right straight out of Lowe's or Home Depot, but it's the Delta foundations. And so I don't see a model number on there, but anyways, that's it. So it's a stainless finish. You can see there's a faucet here. So what you've got is just a regular spout, one handle, hot and cold operation, and then of course a little spray hose on the side there. Not real thrilled with the mounting system that they provided for this faucet. It's a plastic stem here with a plastic nut, and this whole assembly, it doesn't really want to tighten down. It's plastic, so it doesn't really want to tighten down that tight. Same thing over here. It's on a smaller bolt that's metal, but still a plastic nut. So we like to see the center on the large brass nut with the two stainless steel set screws that help pull the center down, but there's nothing here in the middle to help pull this down. So it's full of putty. We packed this full of putty all the way around, not just the perimeter, but on both sides of the opening here, on both sides of the opening here, and then of course both sides of the opening here. So it's puttied in real good, but as you can see, it's up pretty high, and you can see that. So it's sitting up pretty high. It's a pretty large flange that sits there, and then you can see the putty that's left over. So again, we recommend that you wipe down the top of the counter as opposed to washing down anything. Lots of reasons why. Even though you got great putty, brand new putty there, you still have the air gap over here, which I can almost guarantee it's leaking through whenever you get water discharging out of there, or if you are washing down the sink up here, it's going to get it wet and go through, as well as this hose. You can see that's an opening. It's right into the cabinet. So if you're not careful when you're out here spraying, you get water down there. And anyway, so just wipe down the top, clean out the bowls. You can certainly wash the bowls out, but just keep that top as dry as you can. Outside of that, this installation is done.